Alright everybody, welcome back to Sweden and to my workshop. Like you saw in an earlier video, I am intent on making my way into quenching and understanding what that is all about. So, I've made this tube here, quench tube, and I decided today is the time to test it out. For my help, I got this piece of iron steel, this piece of steel here. It says 2541 on it. I don't really know what that means. I've tried to forge this a bit. It's not super hard and it's not super soft either. It's like somewhere in between. It's like quite malleable when you get up to right temperature, but then you need to reheat it more often then. So I'm going to try it with this, and we're going to first then work out the material, and then I'm going to do the 3 steps of making the metal hard but still flexible. I think it's called tempering. It's the last part. I'm going to harden it, and then we're going to anneal it first. I think that's what it's called. My inspiration for this week has been Roy at Christ-Centered Ironworks. He has a really good video on how you do this and how you watch for the certain signs in the metal that you're on the right path. And I'm going to try my very best to emulate him and make a good piece of this. If you have any questions or anything like that, or if you haven't already, please write a question downstairs, and you can also subscribe. I would love that very much, and I wish you all a really nice day, and let's get into the video. and this drift. The drift I'm going to show you in another video, but this is, like we said, it's our test pieces, and this was quite hard, this material, but I realized when it came up to a certain temperature it was very malleable, so it's the right thing to try to do this. And now we're going to see if it's work hardened. So what we do now is take the file and such, and we push it across, and if we've done this correctly, it should just skate off. Now I don't know if you noticed it, but when I tried it with magnetic, it was magnetic about to here. So this piece is not really hard, and it really doesn't have to be because we're going to hit that with a hammer. So let's see. Yeah! Yeah! See? Yeah, it just skates off. So this means that I have work hardened my first piece of tool. This is a big day for me. And I can see here, because this side that wasn't as hard, see when I go here, see it takes like a little chunk over there, but not here. Here it just skates off. Amazing. It's just amazing. So next step is to temper it. And what I need to do then first is to shoot off some of the material here, the scale, so I can see the color chips. So we get a hard, like this is a hard face. So we're going to do that now. So I have a question. My question is, because now when I, took all the stuff away on this, I started working in the edge a bit. And then I thought, maybe I'm not supposed to do this now. Is it, because I felt the material was acting a bit different. It's like it's more brittle, that's the word. So my question for you is it better to do this stuff afterwards when I've tempered it, because then the material is like, it's hard but it's still flexible, it's not brittle like it is now? Or is it better just to do it now and then temper it? Because it felt like it was a bit difficult to get the right edge on it, if you get my drift. So please let me know. You know, write me a DM or in the comments or whatever. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks. Okay, we've got this straw color that the videos I've been looking at, like Roy Adams, that Christ-Centered Dye Works that we're talking about. So I guess we just gotta let that air cool, and when it's done I'm gonna clean it up and then use it, but that's for another video. I think by golly the process was a success in a way, because before this I hadn't quenched anything, I hadn't work hardened anything, and I hadn't tempered it either. So I don't know, I guess I have to maybe do this a couple of turns more, but I don't really know, because this was quite hard from the start, so maybe I don't really need to do this more than once. I'm gonna explore the interweb and see what's going on. But I must say, the whole process, I feel like I've done good. Next step is to, you know, this one, clean up the top so I can hit from it, and upon, you know, smack my hammer on there. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to try it out in another video, but we're just going to clean it up now, yeah? Right, so we are done. I am very happy with the results of this one. I mean, when I started this Quench Quest, I was really uncertain of how it was gonna play out. I mean, I haven't tested it yet, so I won't know 100%. But you know, what I feel about this when I was working on this is a good waypoint, because when I had hardened it and I worked on it, it was very brittle. You know, the points sort of scrubbed up really fast. It got really uneven. It was hard to keep that even work space or even finish. And when I tempered it, you know, when I started working on it now, it felt really nice. It felt like it should be. You know, it could work it easily, and it wasn't as brittle. It was like more hard. It was hard, but it was soft, if you know what I mean. Workable. I guess I didn't really have to clean it up like this, but I mean, is there anything really more prettier than, well, tool-wise anyways, than a really nice finish on a dark, against a dark backdrop. I really like this. And I feel, because this is one of the few tools I've made, that I've made something really special, because I can use this, it can help me make other tools. And you know, I would love to make a hammer. That's my most imminent goal right now, to make a hammer that I can use in the workshop that I've made myself. So thank you for watching. I think we can call this a success, because even if this performs 100% or not, I felt like I've learned something really good here. I've learned like a really important piece of this blacksmithing stuff. Feel free to shout out if you see that I did something that's glaringly wrong, you know, use the wrong references. Oh, and I asked a question before if it was better to do the edge then or now, and I realized as soon as I started tempering it that, you know, the edge got done really fast, and because it was thinner. So I really should have left it wider and ground it off after. That's the lesson for today, but you know, I ground it off a bit anyway, so it didn't matter. And on top here, I try to have more like a round surface, so when I hit it, the impact goes down and out, instead of if it becomes all flat, you know, I chip the edges or make it concave or something like that. So I try to keep like a rounded surface to take the brunt of blow and transport it out. So, and if I miss, if a glancing blow, it doesn't chip, you know, and don't get a chip in my shoulder. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching this. We've hit over 30 subscribers, and I'm really happy that you guys follow along on this journey, watching me blundering about here in the workshop. So thank you so much. You guys motivate me a lot, and I hope that you guys stay creative wherever you are.